We are pleased to show you the 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.